What's up, beautiful people, and Michelle here, and in this video we will be exploring the benefits of amla paste for hair growth. But first, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of new uploads. Okay, let's begin. This is amla powder. It is also known as Indian gooseberry. Researchers have found that the topical application of a solution containing amla powder was more effective than Rogaine in stimulating hair growth. To prepare, I measure out 100 grams of the powder. I add boiled water, preferably distilled water. Since distilled water doesn't contain its own minerals, it has a tendency to pull from whatever it touches to maintain a balance, which is perfect for extracting nutrients from powders. I make sure to add the water slowly and gradually to increase the viscosity. Mix in 6 tablespoons of oil. I've chosen to use avocado oil and almond oil. This will help smoothen out the mixture for better application. You could actually add up to 1/3 cup of oil, it's totally up to you. Once your mixture starts to look like chocolate batter, it is ready. When it comes to application, you'll need some gloves and a spray bottle with warm water. You can start with clean, freshly washed hair, or this can be done as a pre-poo a few hours or the night before you wash your hair. I'll be doing this as a pre-poo, so I re-moisten my hair with some warm water and detangle prior to applying. Remember to wear gloves because this will stain your nails and your hands, and it will give you a nice little brown tint on the fingertips. I purposefully did not wear gloves to show you that it does stain the hands. Then I apply from roots to ends. It's okay if this gets on your scalp, it's totally safe. In fact, it is beneficial for the scalp. As the hair becomes saturated, the amla will start to define your curl pattern. This is one of my favorite things about this powder, aside from, all the good stuff, of course. Amla is rich in a few things that work synergistically to promote hair growth, one of which is iron. It helps to carry oxygen and other nutrients needed for hair growth to the scalp. Then we have vitamin A, which is vital for all cell growth in the body. Vitamin A helps skin glands make an oily substance called sebum. Sebum moisturizes the scalp and keeps the hair healthy. For some background knowledge, 5-alpha reductase is the enzyme that converts testosterone into DHT. If 5-alpha reductase levels increase, more testosterone will be converted into DHT, and more DHT means greater hair loss as a result. This is a process known as male and female pattern hair loss. Amla blocks the 5-alpha reductase, therefore reducing hair loss significantly. In fact, amla was shown to increase the amount of hair follicles by 97%. That's almost double the amount of hair follicles on the head. Amla has many different polyphenols, one of which is tannin. This makes the hair more supple, stronger, and easier to comb. By smoothing down the cuticles, it actually accentuates the brilliance of the strands, leaving them looking quite shiny. Amla has a substantial amount of vitamin C, a very powerful antioxidant that has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that help to heal wounds on the scalp. In addition, the body also uses vitamin C to create a protein called collagen, and collagen is a very important structure for hair growth. Once I've fully applied the paste to my hair, I cover it with a plastic bag and I let it sit for a minimum of 1 hour. This is what my hair looks like after I've let it sit. It is very messy, and yes, it does transfer to any clothing or towels that is used, so keep that in mind. Then I rinsed, shampooed, and deep conditioned my hair. And this is what my hair is looking like right out of the shower. I did not comb out the curls. I just let the water run down my hair and lightly finger detangle. As you can see, my curls are nicely clumped and formed. There's a lot of definition. My hair was incredibly soft. I was thoroughly satisfied with the results. I followed up by doing a twist out, and this is what my hair looks like. It's super shiny, soft. It smells really good because of the conditioner that I used. I am loving it, and it feels very strong and fortified. Like, yeah. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.